Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Yes Online. Now we are in SSC and banking point of view, reasoning topics and important questions analysis. Okay friends. Now we are going to the about reasoning. In reasoning, what are the important topics? Main SSC CGL point of view. Okay. What are the topics we have to prepare? Very, very important. Okay. But remember friends, very easy concepts. Easily you are getting the score. Okay. Before going that, I mentioned the topic names and what are the concepts. Okay. Then we are going to some practice questions. Okay. Listen. In the reasoning point of view, friends, about SSC CGL, reasoning point of view, first concept, first priority, numbers. Next, letters. Next, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. From these three topics, approximately you are getting 7 marks, 7 questions. You can observe all previous papers also, you got a complete idea. Okay. So based on the number, series, coding and decoding, minimum 7 questions. SSC CGL. Very important first priority, this one. Okay. In a numbers, what are the points? In a number, series, analogy, odd man out. I mean classification, odd man out. Series, analogy, odd man out. In the same way, letters also series, analogy and odd man out. Okay friends, easy topic, very important to number and letter. So next, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding based on the maybe letters or maybe numbers. Okay. So these three topics very major part in a reasoning SSC CGL. Okay. First, we are discussing about the series, analogy, odd man out. In a series or analogy, what it may be. In a series, first priority. Okay. First priority, observe the question. In a given question, prime numbers are existing and first priority always prime number. First priority always prime number. First priority always prime number. In case prime numbers are not there in a given question, then immediate priority, you check the difference method. 90% you are getting the answer by using difference method. Okay. Suppose if you know the logic, then directly apply the logic. This is approach. Okay. First, in a given question, any prime number is there or not, you can check. In case there is no prime number, immediately go to the difference method. 90% you are getting the answer. Okay. In case if you know the logic, then directly apply the logic. So series point of view. In the latter point of view also same. Next, analogy. Analogy means analogy. Suppose 10, 101, 5. What is the next? Analogy. There is a relation between these two numbers. So the same relation apply here also, which is called analogy. Okay, which is called analogy. And odd man out. Odd man out. They given some letters, some numbers or letters, anything also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, suppose I given 33, 13, 23, 7, 11, 43. Out of the 6 numbers, 5 numbers maintain the same logic. 1 number does not maintain the relation, which is called odd man out classification. What is that number? Okay. So 13, 23, 7, 11, 43, everything prime number, but 33 is not a prime number. So which is odd man out. This pattern. Okay. I wanted to explain. This is the point. Series, analogy, odd man out. In the same way, letter, series, analogy, odd man out. Coding and decoding based on the letter, based on the number, based on the words, based on the statement. Okay. So these three concepts, 7 marks in our paper. Okay. Next. Next priority, blood relation. Blood relation, directions. Blood relation and directions. So 100% is guarantee question, 1 mark. Directions also 1 mark. Okay. 100% is guarantee in a blood relation, 1 mark. You can see the papers anywhere also. If you, at least if you are preparing for the examination, okay, you got an idea. So any paper, blood relation, 1 question. Guarantee question. In a blood relation, we have 3 type of the models, friends. We have only 3 type of models. First one, of, of, of. A is son of, B of, D of, brother of, father of, okay, this type of question. Next one, group information. Group information. Group information. And finally, mathematical operator. Mathematical operators. You can check only these 3 models. This off model, practice compulsory, friends. Group information, practice not necessary. If you are perfect just 3 or 4 questions, you are 100% perfect in a blood relation. In the mathematical operation, friends, just to perfect only 1 or 2 questions, 200% is guaranteed. So you should practice on the off model, you should practice. Okay, friends. Next, direction. In a directions also, we have approximately 6 type of the questions. But those 6 questions are very, very, very easy. Okay. Next. Ranking. Syllogism. Ranking and syllogism, 1 mark. Ranking and syllogism, 1 mark. Next. Based on the non-verbal, friends, cube, dice. Cube and dice, 1 mark. 1 question guarantee, cube and dice. Next, very important, okay, after cube and dice, analytical figures. Analytical figure, I mean number of triangles, number of squares, so number of rectangle. Okay, this topic is very important. Here out of these 2, 1 mark, figures 1 mark. It is 99% chance, not 100%. Next, in a non-verbal, okay, mirror image and water image. Mirror image and water image guarantee question. Mirror image and water image, maybe mirror image or water image, guarantee 1 question, friends. Next, paper folding and punched, figure embedded, figure series, figure odd minute. Based on the figure concept, guarantee question. Figure concept, mirror image and water image, cube and dice, and analytical figure. So total 4 questions. Okay, you can check any previous paper. This is the pattern, friends. And first priority at the time of the practicing, numbers, letter, coding, decoding. Then order is very, very important. Cube and dice, prepare these 2 topics combination, you got 1 mark. Okay, figure point of view completely spent just 5 to 6 hours, so you got 1 to 2 marks. Mirror image and water image clearly important, 1 mark. Okay, now we start the concept from the last, okay, year's previous questions and some concept also we are providing. Look at, friends. First one. This is 2020 SSC CGL bit. Each and everything, 90% is previous questions only. Previous questions only. You got some idea and some confidence, that's why. Anyone try this question, friends? Anyone? Anyone tell me? A series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones. That will complete the series. Okay, that will complete the series. Tell me. Okay. So first of all, you check, is there any prime numbers are existing? No. So prime numbers are not there. So then immediately check the difference method, you got an idea. Okay, you got an idea. Look at friends. So 6 to 10, difference 4. Next, 8. Next, 16. Next, 32. So here 66. Next, 64. So 130. So logic difference is just double. Difference is just double only. Okay, logic difference is double. Got it, friends, all of you? So previous bit SSC CGL 2020 March month questions. Okay, next. So what is the answer, friends? 66 is the answer. Got it? Next. Same 2020 next paper. Select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Okay, I mean simply series. You can check it, friends. First of all, 45 here, 45, 47, 53, 65, 85. Anyone try? Anyone, friends? First, there is no prime numbers, okay? Only two prime numbers, but don't decide. So next you check the difference. Here 2. Next 6. Next 12. Okay. Next 20. So 2, 6, 12, 20. Okay, there is no directly common difference. You can observe next line. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. So next 10. So 10 means it becomes 30. So 80 plus 85 plus 30. So answer 115 is the answer, friends. 115 is the answer. Okay. You can check the difference. 90% you are getting. Okay. So only this line. Until this line, if you are not getting, don't confuse. You can go to the next line also. Right? Next. Observe this question. A solid cube measuring 16 centimeter. Cube and dice concept 1 mark. Cube and dice combination 1 mark. Look at. A solid cube measuring 16 centimeter is colored by red on opposite surfaces. The other two opposite surfaces are colored by green and rest of the surfaces are blue. It is also cut into the small cubes of 4 centimeter. Cut into the small piece of the 4 centimeter. Find out the number of cubes, the surfaces of which is colored by red, green and blue colors. Okay, no? I mean, you want one small cube, that cube having 3 faces painted with red, green and blue. Got it? Red, green, blue be required. Got it? I want red, I want green, I want blue also. Okay? You can observe first of all, little bit concept, then explain. So cube. Look at friends carefully. A small logic. Here length 16 centimeter. Cube, length, breadth, height, edge and everything same. You want to 4 centimeter. Okay. Total 16. A solid cube measuring 16 centimeter is colored by the red opposite sets. Okay. Cubes 4 centimeter, smaller piece. It also cut into the smaller cubes of 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. It is 16 centimeter. Look at friends. 4, 4, 8, 4. Okay, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Look at friends. I'm getting each piece of 4 centimeter like this. Each piece of 4 centimeter. Each piece 4 centimeter means, okay. Here, how many times I cutting the cube? How many times I cutting the cube? I want 4 items, okay. I want 4. Suppose a small cake piece. I want 2 parts. I want 2 friends. Okay, I want 2 pieces because I have 2 friends. So 2 parts means only you cut it only one time. You got 1 piece and second piece. Got it? Suppose I have one cake like this. Okay, I have 3 friends. Okay, my birthday, I want to distribute the cake. Okay, I have 3 friends. I have only 1 piece. So how many times cutting? 1 and 2. So only 2 times cutting, I'm getting the 3 pieces. I'm getting 3 pieces, right? In the same way, here how many times I'm cutting? Here how many times I'm cutting? Look at. Look at. Number of times cutting, total length minus required length upon required length. Got it? Total length minus required length upon required length. You want 4 centimeter. Total length 16. Total length 16. Okay, friends. Total length 16. Required 4 out of 4. So 12 by 4, 4 3s. So 3 pieces. 3 times you have to cut. Next, 3 times you have to cut means in this corner, in this corner, piece, this piece only having green, red, blue. Okay, this corner piece having only red, green and blue. Okay, I want 3 colors also. I want 3 colors also means requirement is only corner pieces. Requirement is only corner pieces. Only corner pieces means corner pieces always 8. How many corners we have? 8 pieces. Right? So what is the answer, friends, here? B. Right? Next. According to the cube concept, same one more question. Try, friends. How many smaller cubes are painted by red and green and also solid face may be painted or unpainted? Okay, may be painted or unpainted. This is the problem. Okay. If you know the question, if you know the diagram, answer very easy. If you don't know the diagram, you can apply the method. Okay. So here I will give the diagram. Look at. This is the figure, friends. Try. 5 by 5. How many smaller cubes are painted by red and green and also solid face may be painted or unpainted? Okay. Try. Anybody? Okay. Look at, friends, here. How many smaller cubes are painted by red and green and also third face may be painted or unpainted? Third face may be painted or unpainted means, okay, listen. How many smaller cubes painted by red and green? Your requirement is red and green compulsory. Third face is may be painted or unpainted, but red green compulsory. Okay, friends. Suppose you have 3 friends. You have 3 friends, A, B, and C. You are going to one party or one movie. Okay. So you and with you, A and B compulsory. C is may be or may not. Not a problem. Suppose C is come with you, not an issue. C is not there, not a problem. But A and B compulsory in your party. A and B compulsory in your party. Are you getting my point? Okay. In the same way, friends. So here red green compulsory, third face may be painted or unpainted, but red green compulsory. First of all, only red green you can select. Only red green. Only red and green you can select. Look at friends here. Red, green, 1, 2, 3. These 3 pieces, that side also 3 pieces. Total 6. Bottom also same 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Red, green, 12. Red and green is 12. Okay, friends. Red and green is 12. Next, red and green along with the third face. It is painted or unpainted, not a problem. Okay. Suppose it is painted, not a problem. Suppose it is unpainted, not a problem. But I want red, green compulsory. Then you have to take the corners also. You can take the corner. Red, green is there and third face is blue. So not a problem. But red and green is there mainly. So here corner, how many corners we have? 8. Okay. So 12 plus 8, answer 20. Got it, friends, all of you? 12 plus 8, 20. Got it? Red and green and also third face may be painted or unpainted means 20. Right? Next. See the problem. RRB. Okay. Each and everything also previous concepts only. Based on the ranking concept. Based on the ranking. Once observe, friends. Based on the ranking. In a row of girls, Shilpa is, okay, 8th, E-I-G-H-T. 8th from the left. Reina is 17th from the right. Okay. In a queue. Shilpa is 8th from the left. Look at, friends. This place is 8th place from the left. Okay. A simple concept. This position is 8th place. Here not only Shilpa, anybody, A, B, C, D, E, anything also, we can come to this place. This place is always 8th place only. Suppose simple logic, in a school or in a college, in an institute, suppose you are sitting in the first bench. Okay. Here persons different, but bench is same. In the same way, okay, here position 8th, this place is 8th position from the left hand. So here persons, what it may be, maybe Shilpa, any some X, Y, Z, anything, but from the left hand side, that position is 8th place from the left hand. Next. Okay. In a row, Shilpa is 8th from the left hand. Reina is 17th from the right. Reina is 17th from the right. Okay. If they interchange their positions, look at, friends, if they interchange their positions, okay, if they interchange their positions means, look at carefully, Reina here, Shilpa here. Now this position is Reina after interchanging, but Reina is 8th from the left hand only. Here name different, but position is same. Reina position 8th place from the left hand, right? Next, Shilpa position 17th from the right hand. Okay, now continue. Now, okay, if they interchange their positions, Shilpa becomes 14th from the left hand. Shilpa becomes 14th from the left. Okay, this place from the right hand side, Shilpa is 17th from the right hand side. The same place from the left hand, okay, the same place from the left hand, they given 14th from the left, okay, this place is 14th from the left. Are you getting my point? This place is 17th place from the right hand, 14th place from the left hand. Suppose this is the person. From the right 17th, from the left 14th, same position. I am counting from the right hand side also counted, from left hand side also counted with respect to you. So 17 and 14. Okay, you are counting the same person. Number of persons in a queue. Okay, number of persons in a queue. 17 plus 14 minus 1. Because you are counted in the left time, you are counted in the right side, you are counted in the left side also. So you are counted 2 times for this person. But number of persons only 1 person here. So number of persons in a queue means rank from the left hand, rank from the right hand minus 1. Got it? So answer 30 based on the option. 25, 27, 29, none of these. Maximum people thinking ABC, maybe none of these not given, maybe. So that shows 29. Okay, they put the answer wrong. Okay, number of persons is equal to rank from the left hand, rank from the right hand, minus 1. Got it? Number of persons is equal to rank from the left hand, rank from the right hand, minus 1. Next. Coding and decoding concept, friends. Coding and decoding concept. In a certain code language, dolphin is written as EPMPGHM. How will crocodile be written in that language? Okay. Coding and decoding concept. Letter to letter coding, letter to number coding, okay, words coding and statement coding and mixed coding. We have only these 5 types. 6th type impossible. Letter to letter, letter to number, okay, letter to letter, letter to number, okay, word coding, statement coding and mixed coding. We have only 5 type of codings only. Right, friends. Here, look at D O L P H I N E P M P G H M. Look at. Clearly you can identify clearly. In case you don't know, then method different. So if you are identify clearly, D number 4, E number 5. So then immediately plus 1. Just immediate number only. Okay. In case you don't know, you give the letter number, you got some idea. So 4, 5, 15, 16. You got an idea, I think. So next. L12, M13. So next. So PP same only. H8, G7. Okay. H8, G7. I9, H8. N14, M13. Are you getting the idea? No? Total 7 letters. Middle one common, leave it. First half you can take next numbers. Second half you take a previous numbers, previous letters. Okay. So E 15, 16, LM. So first half plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So you can check first 3, you got an idea. So here, how will be crocodile be written in that language? So 3 letters you can check. C next to D, O next to P, RS, DPS, Delhi Public School, DPS. Okay, here eliminate DPS, DPS, DPS. Everything is there. 4th letter same as usually. So DSP, DSPD, DPSD. Okay. Next I. This one eliminate. These 2 only. HH common. So don't check 4th, 5th one also. Okay. Here minus 1. Minus 1. A minus 1 means Z. Z means C is the answer. Got it, friends, all of you? This type. 99% is very easy question. Okay. In a worst case, difficulty. But coding and decoding, 99% is very easy only. Next, friends. Same 2020. Logical Venn diagram concept. Logical Venn diagram concept. Guarantee question. 99% is guarantee question. You can see the any paper also. Logical Venn diagram question, 1 question guarantee. Based on the logical Venn diagram. Okay. Select the suitable Venn diagram according to the given information. Musicians, daughters, female. Daughter means obviously female, right? So daughters completely involved in a female. Daughters completely involved in a female. Okay. Daughter means so everybody think it 5 years old or 6 years old, not like that. Okay. Age become what it may be, but she is a daughter. Okay. Daughter. So first one, musicians. So some daughters may be musicians, some females should be musicians. Okay. This is the diagram. So here partially not given, wrong. So daughters completely involved in a female, right? But here musicians completely different, so eliminate. Here, daughters. completely in a female. So some females, okay, musicians they given. So because suppose mother is 70, her daughter is maybe 50. So she is a musician. So that's why this is also wrong. So some daughters also musician, okay, some female also musician. So option D clearly right answer, friends. Right? Next. Look at friends. Syllogism concept. Syllogism. Very important concept. Syllogism concept. Okay. For SSC point of view, everybody not a engineering background, not a tech background, in graduates and everybody. Okay, everybody. That's why syllogism concept you have to practice number of times. Then you should be perfect. Okay, then you should be perfect. Okay, syllogism concept. Read the given statements and conclusions carefully, assuming that the information given in the statements is true, even if it appears to be at a variance with the commonly known facts. Commonly known facts, I mean, at least you can accept. Decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statement. Okay, all directors are actors. All directors are actors. Each and every director, all directors, each and every director involved in a actor. Director. Every director involved in a actor. Okay. No actor is a producer. No actor is a producer. So producer here. Next. All choreographers are directors. All choreographers. Each and every choreographer is also a director. All choreographers are directors. Okay. So here C. Okay. I'll read clearly once again. Choreographers completely involved in a directors. Directors, everybody is involved in a actors. No actor is a producer. No actor is a producer means there is no relation. Producer does not enter into the actor. Venn diagram point of view. Okay. So actor producer completely different. Okay. दोनों अलग अलग है. एरडू बेरे बेरे. So both different. Okay. All directors are actors. No actor is a producer. All choreographers are directors. This is the possible Venn diagram. Generally, you can write number of possible Venn diagrams, then you can check the conclusions. But here we are getting only one diagram only. There is no other diagram. You can observe. Conclusions. No choreographer is producer. No choreographer is producer. Is it right or wrong? Yes, right. Because this producer does not enter into the actor. How can enter into the choreographer? Impossible. Okay. Suppose in a bank, okay, we have a lockers. Okay. Suppose thieves, sure. Okay, thieves does not enter into the banks. How can enter into the locker? Impossible. In the same way, here choreographer, no choreographer is a producer, is the right. It is right. Some actors are choreographers, some actors. So total actors, so out of actors, some actors choreographer, right? No director is a producer. No director is a producer. That is also already given. Right. So first one is also right conclusion. Second one is also right conclusion. Third one is also right conclusion. So according to the options, only conclusion 2 and 3 follows. 2 and 3 obviously right, but only means that 2 wrong. Only conclusion 1 and 2 follows. No. All the conclusions follows. Right. Okay. Option C is the right. Only conclusion 1 and 3 follows. No. Got my point? So all the conclusions follows. Right. Next. Very different question, difficult question also. Same coding and decoding concept only. Very different question, very difficult question. Okay, you can think this model also. Okay, you can think this model also. Very difficult to observe. I'm taking this one. 201 is given. Okay, you can apply all logics not suitable. That's why I'm giving the new logic for you, this one. In a coding and decoding concept, A to Z is coded as Z to A. Okay, A to Z is coded Z to A, like a face value. So V opposite. What is the V opposite? A to Z, Z to A logic. V opposite, E. E number 5. I opposite, R. R value 18. R value, R opposite I, that is 9. T opposite to G, G value 5, 7. U opposite F, that is 6. E opposite to V, that is 22. Okay, add all the values, friends. Add all the value. 5, 18, 23, 23, 32, 39, 39, 45, 45, 7, 67 into, okay, 67 into A to Z to Z to A, opposite letters like face values. Sum of the face values into number of vowels. 1, 2, and 3. 3 7s 21, 2, 3 6 are 18, 20. So 201. 201 is the answer. This question is very difficult. Okay, not that easy. This type of thinking also important. Okay, you can apply all logics. You can take the face values and addition. Okay, number of vowels or number of consonants. Okay, this model. Very difficult, friends. Right? So present our requirement. Profane. Okay, in that language, P opposite, K, number 11. R opposite, I, that is 9. O opposite, L, 12. F opposite, U, 21. E opposite, Z, 26. N opposite, M, 13. E opposite to V, 22. Add all the values. Here number of vowels. Number of vowels. 1, 2, 3 again. A, I, O, U, 3. You can add all the value. 20, 32, 20, 32, 33, 53, 59, 79, 79, these two. 35. 104. P, R, O, VIF, A, E, 3. 20, 32. 32, 33. 53. 79. Here, 114. 114, number of vowels 3. 3 fourths 12, 1, 4, 342 is the answer. So 342 is the answer. Got it, friends, all of you? This type of questions within the within the 10 seconds or 30 seconds, okay, it is impossible. Minimum less than the 1 minute. Okay, sometimes questions are very difficult. Sometimes, okay, paper is difficult. We are using this words at the time difficult method. Are you getting the concept? Next, how many triangles in the following? Okay, how many triangles in the following? Question. Go to observe, friends. Analytical figures. Concept name. Analytical figures. Based on the analytical figure, we are getting one question. 99%, not 100%. 99% guarantee you are getting the question. Okay. Analytical figures. So number of the triangles. Simple logic. I'll explain the concept and shortcut. 1. How many triangles? Only one. Suppose I take a one line. Suppose I am taking one line. Then how many triangles? So 1, 2, and big one 3. Okay. So 1, 2, big one 3. Right? Big one is 3. Now shortcut apply. This is the pattern. Number of triangles. Just to give the casual numbers. Just to give casual numbers. Like order 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Completed answer. Small or lengthy, any question it is accepted. Okay. 1, 2. 1 plus 2. 3 added. Suppose there is a partition like this. There is a partition. Okay. From the ground floor to top 3. Again from the first floor to again top these 3. Okay. Logic sigma n into number of path. Number of path. Okay. Number of floors like this. Okay. Suppose it is apartment, ground floor, first floor. So 2 floors. Each floor 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 plus 2, 3. Total 2 floors into 3. 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Like how many floors? 2 floors. So 3 into 2. Total 6 triangles. One more question. This is the problem. Just to give the casual numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2, 3 plus total it is base 10. Into how many floors? 1 and 2. 2 floors into 2. So total 20 triangles. Okay, for our convenience, like an apartment to floor point of view, but generally number of path. Okay, here it is not a proper way. You can count individually. First of all, you can observe 1 or 2, 1 or 2, 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. 4 3s, total 12. Okay. Suppose it is a proper construction, you can count. Proper construction means you have a 10 floors apartment. We have a 10 floor apartment. Listen friends, you have 10 floor apartment. In a ground floor, you are getting 5 flats. Okay, 5 flats. Like 10 floors, 10 into 5, 50 flats, direct answer. Suppose some different contractor in a ground floor 10 flats, first floor 8 flats, okay, penthouse 1 flat, okay, this type of differently is given means we have to go that place and we count individually. In the same way, the question is properly given directly, sigma n into number of floors. Question is improperly given means you can count individual parts. Got it? Suppose one more. Here are given base 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, here 1. So 1, here 6, here 6, total 13. Depends. Okay. It is not a proper construction, so you can give the numbers for base 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 6, 6, here only 1, so 13. I hope everybody is getting number of triangle, this logic. Next. This problem. Observe this question, friends. This is one type of the pattern based on the number. Odd man out. Okay, odd man out. Select the number pair in which the two numbers share in a different relationship. Okay, two numbers, different relationship from the shared by the two numbers in the rest of the number pair. Okay, this is the problem. In generally, you can check prime numbers. Prime numbers are not there means immediately check difference method. You can observe the difference here. 178 to 308. So answer 130. Right? Got it, friends? Next, 215, 338. 338, 215, 3, 2, 123. Okay. 292, 169. So 12, 3. Here 8 to 123. Next, here clearly you got answer 123. Everything also difference 123, but here difference 130. So this is the answer. If you have a doubt, check the previous paper, SSC CGL 2020. Third day. Okay, 2023. Got it, friends, all of you? Got it? So based on the number. Next. Same. This is one pattern. Okay, this is one more pattern based on the number. 750 to 346, there is a relation. The same relation applied in a which option? Otherwise, the same relation not accepted in a which option? Okay, either follows or not follows. According to the question, they will ask. Observe the question. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as are the numbers in the following set. Select the option in which the numbers are related to the same way. Same relation. Requirement is same relation. Observe my point, friends. Requirement is same relation. Okay. Here, logic, friends, generally, in a numbers, friends, logic is very important. If you are perfect in a logic, then questions 99% is easy. If you are confused in the logic, time taken. Okay. Approximately, we have almost 35 logics. Very easy. Okay, very easy. First, okay, prime numbers, you know already. Difference increase, difference decrease, n square plus 1, n cube plus 1, n cube minus 1. Prime number square plus 1, prime number square minus 1. Difference is a prime number increase, prime number. This type of logics, we have approximately 35 logics, friends. If you are perfect, any question is easy. Okay, so right. So 752. So 752, 346. You can observe 52 is the nearest value of the 7 square, 49. Okay. 346, it is also nearest value of the cube. Got it? Observe. So it is 7 square plus 3, 7 cube plus 3. Okay. 7 cube plus 3. Got it, all of you? Next. Here observe option C clearly. 8 square plus 3, 8 cube plus 3. So same set is satisfied. Same set is satisfied. Got it, friends, all of you? Here logic n square plus 3, n cube plus 3. n square plus 3, n cube plus 3. This type of logic, friends. Got it, all of you? Okay. One type of set is given. The same set, okay, the same relation applied in which set? That is one pattern. The same pattern not satisfied, okay, not applicable on which option? Okay, maybe or may not. Okay, two type of questions they will ask. Okay, this type of pattern is given. Here logic is very important. Difference logic, difference increase, difference decrease, n square minus 1, n square minus 1, n cube plus 1, n cube minus 1. Okay, multiplication logic, product of the conjugate number, product of the conjugate odd number, product of the conjugate prime number. This type of logic is very, very important. Let's see how many people giving the answer. Okay, nice. Okay, observe this question, friends. Same syllogism. Okay, 2020 paper only. Look at. All rugs are blankets. All rugs are blankets. All rugs. Okay. All rugs are blanket. All blankets are pillow. All blankets are pillow. Okay. Some blankets are frames. Okay. Some blankets are frames. Some blankets are frames means, look at, friends. Some blanket or frame means maybe like this. The diagram until the, okay, including the pillow also, but does not touch. Here, rugs, this blue color, there is no relation. Some blankets, okay, some blankets are frames. So that blue line is touches the red, touches R, touches P, or out of the P, we don't know exactly. Okay, only this point I know. Next, in case if you are getting a number of chances, there is no conclusion generally. Okay, there is no conclusion. Observe. All pillows are rugs. Okay, All pillows are rugs. All pillows are rugs. Is it right? No. One clearly wrong. Okay, one clearly wrong. Some pillows are rugs. Yes, some pillows rugs. Right answer. Second one is right. All rugs are frames. Okay, here rug frame relation you don't know. Okay, rug frame relation you don't know. Okay, all rugs are frames. All rugs frames. Okay, that's a relation you don't know. How can you decide? Okay, relation is not given means maybe or may not. Conclusion. Conclusion means 100% is confirmation. It is a conclusion. Maybe, may not. We don't give the confirmation. Okay. So what is the option right? Look at friends. Only conclusion 2 follows. Yes, right. Either 1 or 3 follows. No. Everything also wrong. So only 2 is the right answer. Some pillows are rugs. This is the only conclusion, friends. Look at friends, all of you. Got it? So some of the questions from the reasoning we discussed today. Okay. I hope everybody is getting the concept. Okay. I am expecting from the tomorrow a maximum people attend the live session. Thank you, friends. All the best.